You don't know how to start your mix? I will show you my tip that helps me a lot, how to make it really fast and smooth. First I go on the master bus and launch VU meter. It's calibrated like 0 dB on VU meter, it's minus 18 on your DAW. Launch the kick, start from the kick, and find the lever of your kick that will be around minus 7 dB on VU meter. Next, snare. Sometimes snare is a bit louder, sometimes quieter. It's up to your taste, so use your ears. Keep it maybe at the beginning at the same level. On the VU meter it will be lower than the kick, because VU meter shows the energy, so the snare will have it less. Add the cymbals, like to your taste. Just remember that the kick and the snare should be more dominant than the cymbals. Now bass guitar. Make the bass guitar and the kick solo together, and now look at your VU meter again, and when the bass and kick play together, try to set it around -4. Guys, you must remember, it's starting point. Later you can adjust it a bit more to your taste. Now when we have the drums, I think it's great to put the vocals. Try to keep it more or less like kick and snare, or slightly bit more upfront.
The winds calm down, these visions get lost in your head, nowhere to be found, nowhere.
Do you like what you see on this channel? Check the links below. You will find information about my workshops, Q&A sessions and other interesting events. And now it's great time to add other instruments, and try to start from those most important for you. Try to listen your favorite music and listen what is on the foreground, on the background. So mostly you will see that the drums and the vocal are on the top. So keep in mind when you build your mix that you need to have something on foreground and background.
Now rivers run slower, the winds calm down. Now rivers run slower, the winds calm down. Now rivers run slower, the winds calm down. These visions get lost in your head, nowhere to be found.
Now again you can go back to the master section, and please guys add some kind of limiter that doesn't change your original mix too much, doesn't kill your transients, and try to adjust the volume of your mix to your reference. So keep in mind what kind of music you are doing. So in the rock it will be around -10 to -8, 7 loops.
Lost the meaning of a stay.
Now rivers run slower, the winds calm down. These visions get lost in your head, nowhere to be found, nowhere.
And from this actually point, you can start to work on your mix. Please do it before you touch any EQ compression. Now you can compare with your reference and make it way better. Hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment how works for you and subscribe.